it's not.
That tickles! It's coming from over there.
Wow! It must be the Monkey King.
The Monkey King? Who's that?
The Monkey King travels all over the world with his monkeys, performing acrobatic opera.
Is the Monkey King real? Well, not exactly. But there are lots of stories and operas about him. Come on, we've got to tell Mama and Papa. They love opera.
Wu Shan is known throughout the world for his portrayal of the Monkey King. Did I ever tell you I'm his biggest fan?
Many times, many times.
Wu Shan, did I ever tell you I'm his biggest fan, my fantastically felicitous feline?
I believe you might have mentioned it once or twice.
I always wanted to be in the Beijing Opera. Maybe Wu Shan will let me perform with him. All I have to do is practice and...
First of all, my dear, you're a cat. Even we have our limitations. And second of all, I can't imagine you being an opera singer.
I thought you said you liked opera.
Oh, I do. In fact, I love opera. But that yowling you make with the alley cats isn't opera. It's just noise.
It is not just noise. We're rehearsing. That's what rehearsals are for.
Well, you certainly spend a lot of time doing it, whatever it is.
You spend just as much time playing 5 dots.
I do not.
Oh,
Let's not argue in front of the children, my dear.
Mama! Baba! The Monkey King is here!
no! Come and see! Come and see!
We still have work to do. We'll see the Monkey King later, all right?
Come on, you two. What are we waiting for? Come on!
Welcome to our humble home, Wu-shan. We are honored to have you here.
We'd be even more honored if you would grace us with a performance. Perhaps of the Monkey King?
I wish I could, but I cannot. I am traveling alone. How can I possibly play the Monkey King without the actors who play my monkeys?
How hard could it be to play a monkey?
I bet you couldn't do it, Foo-Foo. People train years and years to sing opera. It takes lots and lots of practice.
Well, it sounds like a bunch of squealing and screaming, if you ask me.
You're such a silly bat. Come on, let's see what's happening over there.
I see you're playing 5 dots again.
I don't spend any more time playing 5 dots than you spend rehearsing your precious opera.
Well, I have to. Those alley cats really need a lot of practice. What we do is art. What you do is just a game.
Art? Art? Oh, yes, you must go and help them sing more artfully. Art indeed. And by the way, I'll have you know that it takes a lot of skill to play 5 dots well.
Let's go see.
Okay, but we better be quiet. Shh. Don't make a sound.
Ay-ya! Oh, not that racket again.
I'm afraid it's the Alley Cat Opera starring the one and only Baba Meow.
That's exactly what it is. Whoever told him he could sing?
I want a word with you, Baba Meow.
Let me guess. Does this have anything to do with our singing?
Yes, it does. Most certainly.
You said you liked opera. As a matter of fact, you said you loved it.
Yes. Real opera.
Oh no, they're fighting again!
But your brand of so-called opera chased Nai away while we were playing Five Dots.
I don't see why it would.
And you probably woke everyone else up in the palace, too, while you were at it.
I'll tell you what. Why don't we go for a walk and talk about it?
Well, all right. But don't think you can sweet-talk your way out of this one. I'm warning you, it isn't going to work.
Mama and Papa don't love each other anymore. What?
What are you talking about?
You saw them. They were arguing.
Sagwa, just because Mama and Baba were arguing, well, it doesn't mean that they don't love each other.
Dong was right, Sagwa. I guess so. You are sure about this, aren't you, Dongwa? Come on, Sagwa. We'll talk to Mama and Baba in the morning, okay? Okay.
You don't really mind me spending some time on my opera, do you?
No, not really. I guess not. Actually, you do have a very strong voice. Very masculine. And you don't really mind me playing Five Dots, do you?
Of course not, my dear. Your skill is unmatched. I'm proud of your playing.
Good morning, Ushan. I hope you slept well. Is there anything you need? Anything we can do for you?
Well, I do need to rehearse. So if there is a suitable room in your magnificent palace...
Anywhere you wish.
Thank you, my kind friend.
Why did you want to talk to us, children?
Well, you and Mama do love each other, right?
Of course we do.
Well, we all heard you arguing last night. And Sagwa is afraid you and Baba don't love each other anymore.
We're very sorry you heard the argument, but we do love each other. Very much.
And we love you very much, too. And we always will.
Everyone argues sometimes. Even you, Sagwa. Every so often you argue with Sagwa and Dongwa, right?
Mm-hmm.
But that doesn't mean you don't love them, does it?
No, of course I love them.
In fact, sometimes arguing with people you care about makes you realize just how important they are to you.
Come on! Let's go see what the Monkey King is doing.
Oh, Ushan, does this mean you've changed your mind about performing?
Sorry, I'm just practicing. I cannot perform without my monkeys.
Here are your monkeys, Ushan. They'd be perfect.
Well, that is...
I insist. What a wonderful idea. We have so little opportunity to go to the opera, and the magistrate is so fond of the Monkey King.
Well, all right. I'll give it a try. Oh!
No!
Out, out, out! I'm so sorry, Ushan. I have no idea where these kittens came from.
No, wait! I found my monkeys. They're naturals. All they need is a bit of rehearsal. I will perform as the Monkey King.
Ha!
Ladies and gentlemen, the Monkey King!
Delightful.
So lovely.
Yes, yes.
Anybody could have done that. Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Well, you couldn't have.
Could too.
No way! Well, now I guess we're having an argument.
But we're still friends, right?
The best!
Uh-oh. I think I hear another argument coming on.
And this one might not have such a friendly ending.
Uh-oh. Something tells me I shouldn't be sticking around here.